Before you watch this video, please watch part 1 so you can understand the basics of face making for 2x2. If you don't, most of the tips in today's video will not make any sense. Part 1 is linked below in the description. Back inserts. So let's say you're making a face like this, and you have a face piece up here. So what you want to do in this situation is move it to the back, like this, and then do this algorithm, which will insert it to the back without a rotation. You can also do the same thing for the left side. So if we got a piece back here, so move it above, and then do this algorithm, which is just a mirrored case. It's just for the left side, which just uses L moves instead of R moves. The next case, if it's not facing you this time, instead move it to the left like this, and then do this algorithm to insert it into the back. Also, if you want to do a mirrored case for the left side, here's what that looks like. So move it to the right this time, and then do this algorithm to insert it into the back layer. Alternative inserts to reduce rotations. Now, this case, most of the time you would rotate and do L prime U prime L, which is perfectly fine. I do it most of the time. But there are some alternative inserts you can do to reduce rotations. The first one is this, which uses F moves like this. And another one is doing a sledgehammer or a hedge slammer, depending on which side of the cube it's on. Now, if you have a piece facing to the right and we have a spot empty to the left, now what you can do is rotate and do L prime U, or do RU R prime. But there's a faster way you can do this, is do this algorithm, which inserts it to the right. You can also do the same thing on the left side, like this. And a really annoying case made easy. Now this case, which we did not mention last time, is super easy and is very fast, even though it may not look like it. First, move this up, move it to the left, move this piece up, move them both over, and then move them both down to insert it into the bottom layer. You can also mirror this for the left side, which looks like this. This is the end of the video. If you've not already, which you should have, go watch part 1, and it's linked in the description below. And I'll see you all in the next one.
Emotional damage!